Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to buy an Amazon mystery box in 2026. The process is incredibly simple, but there are a few important details you need to know before you hit the buy button. First, let us clear the air. If you are looking for an official mystery box packaged and sold directly under the Amazon brand, you will not find one. Amazon does not officially sell mystery boxes to retail customers. Instead, the mystery boxes you see on the platform are created and sold by independent third-party sellers or companies using the Amazon storefront. Because these are third-party products, finding them is just like finding anything else. You simply open the Amazon app or website and search for mystery box. You will see options ranging from beauty bundles and makeup sets to gaming accessories and tech gadgets. Once you find a box that fits your budget, the process is standard. Review the seller ratings carefully to ensure they are reputable. Then just click Add to Cart or Buy Now. Proceed to the checkout page, confirm your delivery address, and place your order. It really is that straightforward. While you are not buying directly from Amazon's own return pallets, this is the fastest and easiest way to get a mystery box delivered to your door. Thanks for tuning in to ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct tutorials, and we will see you in the next one.